Hi, my dear viewers. I'm Mansoor. Hi, my dear viewers. Today, I want to teach you. Hard letters, hard letters, which feels like a hard. Ta, dal, and to. These are called hard letters. Like we face trouble during the pronunciation of these letters. But before from it, wait. I have brought surprise for you. As you know, the the Arabic letters are 29. Alif to Ya. These are 29 alphabets. We have believe on that. This first chapter, these 29 letters are the base of Quran. These 29 letters are the base of Quran. So, surprise for you. If you want to know deeply about the first chapter, so watch my this playlist. I have deeply explained the first chapter, the different alphabets. I have find out the throat letters, bouncing letters, soft letters, hard letters, and so on. So, if you want to know, watch my this playlist. I have explained deeply the first chapter, the 29 letters. Thank you. Let's come back to the point. Today our lecture is hard letters, and I hope you know the meaning of hard. Ta, ta, like we face difficulty during the pronunciation of ta, ta, ta word, ta letter, which pronounced from the tip of the tongue between the teeth. Ta, dal, dal. Like we face difficulty during the pronunciation. Dal and to. The articulation point of these letters are same. Ta, 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 dal, dal. We are facing trouble in the pronunciation of these three letters. The articulation point of these three letters are same. Ta, dal, and to. So these three letters are called hard letters. In the end, I'm requesting you, my dear viewers. Your one subscriber can build up my confidence. Your one subscriber can build up my confidence. I am a lone YouTuber. I am a lone mentor who's trying to teach you Quran in the English language, in a simple English. So please, your one subscriber can build up my confidence. So subscribe my channel, Global Quran. And if you want to know deeply about the first chapter, about the 29 letters, so watch my this playlist.